Welcome back to Herbologyhaven, your go-to source for natural remedies and holistic wellness. Today, we're diving into the world of Malabar nut. The Malabar nut, scientifically known as Adatoda vasica, is a revered herb in traditional medicine, particularly in Ayurveda. The Malabar nut is a potent herb, especially valued for its ability to treat respiratory disorders. Known by various names like Vasaka and Adulsa, this herb has earned its place in traditional medicine for its expectorant, bronchodilator, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. This evergreen shrub is native to the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia, where it continues to play a significant role in herbal remedies. The plant's medicinal benefits stem from its rich bioactive compounds, particularly the alkaloid vasicine, which is known for its effectiveness in treating respiratory conditions. Malabar nut is an evergreen shrub that belongs to the Acanthaceae family. It typically grows to a height of 1 to 2 meters, although it can reach up to 3 meters under ideal conditions. The plant has lance-shaped, dark green leaves that are about 10 to 15 centimeters long and have a slightly bitter taste. The shrub produces small, white or purple flowers arranged in dense spikes, which are followed by capsule-like fruits containing 4 seeds. Malabar nut thrives in tropical and subtropical climates and is commonly found in India, Sri Lanka, and parts of Southeast Asia. The Malabar nut has been used in Ayurvedic medicine for over 2,000 years. Ancient texts praise this herb for its powerful effects on the respiratory system, particularly in clearing the airways and supporting easy breathing. It was also used traditionally to treat tuberculosis, a widespread and deadly disease in ancient times. The Sanskrit name, Vasa, reflects its esteemed status as a protector of respiratory health. Beyond Ayurveda, Malabar nut is also utilized in Unani and Siddha medicine systems, underscoring its widespread acceptance as a potent herbal remedy. While Adatoda vasica is the most commonly used species of the genus, other species within the Adatoda genus also offer significant medicinal benefits. Here are a few notable ones. Adatoda bedame. This species is native to the western Ghats of India and is used for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is traditionally applied to skin infections and wounds. Adatoda schimperiana. Found primarily in East Africa, Adatoda schimperiana is known for its antimalarial and antiparasitic properties. It is often used to treat fevers, malaria, and intestinal parasites. Adatoda zealanica. Native to Sri Lanka, this species is valued for its antioxidant and liver protective effects. It is frequently used to support liver health and detoxification processes. What science behind Malabar nut? The medicinal properties of the Malabar nut are primarily attributed to the presence of the alkaloid vasicine. Vasicine is known for its bronchodilator and expectorant effects, which make it particularly effective in treating respiratory conditions like asthma and bronchitis. Additionally, the plant contains flavonoids, saponins, and tannins that provide antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial benefits. These compounds work synergistically to promote respiratory health, alleviate symptoms, and prevent infections. Let you know about health benefits of Malabar nut. Malabar nut is widely recognized for its ability to support respiratory health. The herb acts as a natural bronchodilator, helping to open up the airways and ease breathing. It is particularly effective in treating conditions like asthma, bronchitis, and chronic cough. Its expectorant properties help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract, providing relief from congestion. The expectorant action of Malabar nut makes it a popular remedy for both dry and productive coughs. It helps clear mucus from the airways while soothing irritation in the throat, making it easier to breathe and reducing the severity of coughing. Malabar nut possesses potent antimicrobial properties, making it effective in combating bacterial and viral infections of the respiratory tract. It helps inhibit the growth of pathogens that can cause respiratory infections, reducing the severity and duration of symptoms. The anti-inflammatory properties of Malabar nut help reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract, which can be particularly beneficial for individuals with asthma or bronchitis. By reducing inflammation, Malabar nut helps prevent airway constriction and promotes easier breathing. Emerging research suggests that Malabar nut may also support cardiovascular health. Its vasodilatory effects help lower blood pressure and improve blood circulation. Additionally, the antioxidant properties of the herb protect the heart from oxidative stress, further contributing to cardiovascular well-being. Malabar nut is also used in traditional medicine to treat various skin conditions, such as acne, eczema, and wounds. Its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties help reduce skin inflammation, promote healing, and prevent infections. Malabar nut leaf powder is a common form of the herb used in traditional medicine. It can be mixed with honey or warm water and taken orally to relieve coughs, colds, and respiratory congestion. Malabar nut syrup is a popular Ayurvedic formulation used to treat coughs and bronchial conditions. It combines the benefits of Malabar nut with other herbs to provide relief from respiratory symptoms. Malabar nut tea, made by boiling the leaves in water, is a soothing remedy for respiratory ailments. Drinking this tea helps clear the airways, reduce inflammation, and relieve coughs. Malabar nut is generally considered safe when used appropriately. The typical dosage for Malabar nut powder is 1 to 2 grams per day, while the syrup can be taken in doses of 5 to 10 milliliters, 2 to 3 times a day. However, it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before using Malabar nut, especially if you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or taking other medications. Overuse of Malabar nut may lead to side effects such as nausea, vomiting, or digestive discomfort. While Malabar nut is well tolerated by most individuals, some may experience side effects if taken in excessive amounts. These side effects may include nausea, vomiting, headaches, and digestive disturbances. To minimize the risk of side effects, it is recommended to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as needed. Malabar nut is often compared to other herbs like tulsi, licorice, and eucalyptus. While each of these herbs has its own unique properties, Malabar nut is particularly valued for its bronchodilator and expectorant effects. Unlike tulsi, which is more commonly used for its immune-boosting properties, or licorice, which is known for soothing the throat, Malabar nut offers a targeted approach to respiratory health by addressing the underlying causes of breathing difficulties. Malabar nut is a hardy plant that can be easily grown in tropical and subtropical climates. It prefers well-drained soil and full sunlight but can also tolerate partial shade. The plant can be propagated from seeds or cuttings and requires minimal care once established. Growing your own Malabar nut allows you to have a fresh supply of the herb, which can be used for making teas, syrups, and other remedies. Malabar nut products are widely available in health food stores, Ayurvedic shops, and online retailers. When purchasing Malabar nut products, it is important to choose high-quality supplements from reputable brands. Look for products that are organic, non-GMO, and free from additives and preservatives. Malabar nut is a powerful herb with a long history of use in traditional medicine, particularly for its ability to support respiratory health. Whether you're dealing with a chronic cough, asthma, or a respiratory infection, Malabar nut offers a natural and effective solution. Its broad range of health benefits, from antimicrobial action to cardiovascular support, makes it a valuable addition to any herbal medicine cabinet. As with any herbal remedy, it is important to use Malabar nut responsibly and consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more herbal insights.